Welcome everyone. So today we're going to go ahead and look at the quick installation for Empire on a Kali machine. So just go ahead and go to this location. Eventually we'll bring you down here to this really simple set of commands. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to open up something. Open up, let's say this one. Or not. Launch new instance. How about that? And actually, so let's see here. We want to be root. So sudo. Cool, we're in root. So great. And so what I'll do now is I'll just paste what's in the clipboard. Press enter. We'll let all this go through. It may take some time, so I'm going to pause the video. All right, I'm back. So I just wanted to jump back into this and show you that it's still taking a while to install. And so what else is here? Do you want to install XR? Only if you're doing DMG. So we're not doing that, so I'm just going to say nope. Do you want to install OpenJDK? Is only needed if you're generating a jar file. I'm not going to do that either. No need for a jar file. I'm not going to do some website thing for Java right now. All right, it may ask for a couple more things like Ming, and I'll say yes to that, and a few other things, and we should be done here pretty soon. So I'll go ahead and pause this while this installs. All right, I'm back. So it looks like this one is install nim and Ming, so I'm going to say yes to that, just because I want min GW, potentially later if I want to create some stuff. All right, and so I'll go ahead and pause again. I'll be back. All right, welcome back. So it looks like it has completed, as you can see here, install complete. And then basically let's run in a separate terminal this kind of stuff here. So PS Empire server is really what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna copy the selection. I'll just come up here to file. I'll say, let's do it from a new tab, ls. Let's get into Empire, wherever that is. Oh, you know what? Sudo I, because we did this as root. So Empire, here we are. So I should be able to just paste in the clipboard this for the server, and we should be starting the server here. So, oh, failed to set up database. If you have recently updated Empire, please run the server reset. Oh, I think I may have. So let's just do reset. And then we'll run this again and it should work just like so. Would you like to reset? Yep. All right, so that's done. And I'll start it again. There we go. That looks way better. And then we'll just go ahead and open up a browser to view our GUI Starkiller to then further go into Empire. I will pause this while it finishes starting. Welcome back. Okay, so here it is. This is the IP address and the port. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to say open link. And now we're opening as, oh, so I need the right IP to whatever this IP is. So let's go ahead and find out. So ifconfig, so I am 201. So let's go ahead and come up here and just do 192.168.0.201. Whoops, jeez. Kind of need that colon there for the port. Oh boy. All right, here we go. 192. Oh boy. This is just not. Try again. Did not like that. All right, so I'm just, oh, index. Let's do the index. So copy, whoops, jeez. I just messed that up, so don't do that. So I'm going to start it again, except this time I'm going to do 1337 index. So 137 index.html, and we will wait for this to load up again. Good Lord. There we go, we have success. So again, you're going to have to remove this local host and do 192.168.0.201. I believe this is Empire Admin, and I believe it's, I can't remember. I'll have to check out the GitHub here. Let's see here. I'm going to pause the video as I look. All right, I'm back. I think it's password 123. So like that. And we'll go ahead and remember and submit. Sure. And here we are. We're here. We're going to have to create a listener though. We're on a listener. I'm going to just do that really quick. HTTP is what I'm going to do. Port, we'll say it's, we'll do 36. And then basically everything else, I'm just going to leave alone. We do have a kill date, which is probably a good idea. But I'm just going to submit. And then we should have a listener. And there we are. We have a listener. Then the next thing is to create a stager. We'll have to create a stager. Something to this effect. We'll pick a listener. You'll pick a language, which you can even do Python, IronPython, C#, all really great things. Out file, file name, Jesse Stager 1. You can do a bunch of other stuff. I'm just going to submit. And then what I like to do is I like to download it and then take it, and then you can run this basically on the Windows system to get a callback. I'm going to pause this for a moment. All right, I'm back and I'm on a Windows system. Just really quick, I'm just going to see if this works. So I'm going to open up PowerShell and let's see if I can right click, but I cannot right click from one thing to another. So let's try this a little differently, and I'll pause while I try something. Back, so let's see if, okay, so what I did is I copied it out, put it in my notebook on my host machine, and then I pasted it into this other VM, but it looks like, what's going on? Script malicious. Okay, so this did what it needed to do. Antivirus grabbed it, and you can see that it triggered a Sigma. So you've caught this. Now someone should be doing instant response and following up on this action. And why is there an account on this system that can do this in the first place? All right. Well, that's it for now. Until next time, happy hunting and all that good stuff.